ang Agila and Matas Mangarap. Ang Dragon ay Malakas Humanlat sa negosyo. Maangay sa pagbebenta.
The Philippines back to their ancestors' hometown to see.
Moxiong Banat sa negosyo.
Go and come and go. Fashion come and go.
Ang Tong bibilan ang bag at jacket sa SM Store ang punter. Ang Tong OFW at Traveler sa Philippine Airlines ang punter. Ninong TV proudly presents. Ang pag sa sama-sama ng dalawang hari sa pag na negosyo. Ang hari ng Aeroplano Lucio Tan. At ang hari ng negosyo Henry C. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. And for another memento we'll have Dennis Castro now. As Lucio Tan. Ang Dragon at Ang Aguila. Learning the Henry C's SM store partner with Mr. Lucio Tan in Learning Philippine Airlines. The business store partner in shopping. Simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube channel coming this March 13, 2023. Henry C., the king of Philippine business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. You're watching in my Ninong TV through Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today we will have another action of learning the businesses of Mr. Henry C. in this special video blog. And today we will have ang Dragon at ang Agila learning Henry C.'s SM store partner with Mr. Lucio Tan in learning Philippine Airlines, the business store partner in shopping. Wow. So this is a excitement video vlog because through the years, we are having a special shopping in SM, diba? With the family and friends. And somehow, our OFW, our travelers who choose Philippine Airlines for their travel, for their work, and for any endeavors, and we will discover that the SM store, or the SM rather, of Mr. Henry C. and the Philippine Airlines of Lucio Tan is a tag team, especially in market business, in partnership, and to help people and to give joy, diba? You fly high, and as you got it all, fly high, diba? So this is a special collaboration that we will discover, and a special guest once again for another moment, Mr. Dennis Castro, to be rolled as Mr. Lucio Tan. Okay, we will discover him for the first slide, but first of all, diba, kalma muna tayo. Ano nga bang meaning muna or the introduction of Philippine Airlines before we discover the owner, the business type of Mr. Lucio Tan, no? So, Philippine Airlines, or PAL, a trade name of PAL Holdings Incorporated, PSE. PAL is the flag carrier airline of the Philippines, headquartered at the PNB Financial Center in Pasay. The airline was founded in 1941 and the first and oldest commercial airline in Asia. Okay, so this is the first airline that we have. So kung nandiyan ang inyong mga lolo't lola, they will discover the Philippine Airlines. So it said 1941. So sino nang buhay niyan? Kahit Tito Henry nyo, wala pa to eh. Kasi he was born 1928. Ay, hindi, meron na siya. Yung SM wala pa, pero si Henry C. nandito na. So nakikita-kita niya na yung Philippine Airlines, habang yung SM niya ay binibuild niya na sa isip niya na for the future, magkakaroon ako ng mall. And someday, yung lumilipad na airplane na yan, makikilala ko. di ba? At ngayon nga, they are totally tag team. The Philippine Airlines and SM Store of Mr. Hennessy is totally a tag team here. So, I show you here the Philippine Airlines meaning, perfect for our educators, for our researchers, mga nagdi-dream maging piloto. O, sakto, you discover the Philippine Airline, you may screenshot this, you may download and buy. So, just PM me on how to avail. So, first slide, we will have Mr. Dennis Castro to be rolled as Mr. Lucio Tan.
Doon po. Hello? Opo. Hello? So, interview sa Philippine Airlines ni Lucio Tan. Ano pong sasabi niyo sa Philippine Airlines of Lucio Tan?
Ayos na yung pagsakay ng aeroplano doon. Siyempre, una, kakabahan ka. At lalo na, kung nasa passenger seat ka, malapit sa bintana, nakikita mo habang mo ang aeroplano, tapos nakita mo maalit kagad yung mga tanawin, no? Nakita mo, kakabahan ka. Pero pag nasa taas ka naman, pwede, ang pag aeroplano na nasa tuktok na ng ulap, okay naman. Kumbaga, nakakalakad ka pa. Tapos, yung servisyo nila, yung mga first flight stewardess, lalapit sa'yo. Bibigyan ka ng drinks.
Libre na po ng pagkain.
O, libre pagkain kasakit. Kasama sa binayad mo din eh. Plano. Kasama yun, libre yun.
Opo.
Mga soft drinks, wine, tapos meron sila sandwich. Sandwich, oo. Ang pagkain doon, konti lang, walang kanin doon. Kasi hindi pwedeng maraming kanin kasi pero plano yun. Pwede mong pakabusog. Pero pwede kang umulit. So, sandwich. Okay lang. Tapos pag iihi ka, ang ganda na siya doon. Pag pinas po sa siya, sinisip-sip, no push, automatic. Paganda sumakit ng aeroplano, yung wala lang, first time ka siyempre, parang, kinakabahan ka, di ba? Nalulula ka. Alam mo, babaksak.
Okay, yan.
Okay, you've just discovered here is the Philippine Airlines of Mr. Lucio Tan. Anyway, thank you very much for our dear special guest, Mr. Dennis Castro. For another moment, we have him. For the first episode, we discovered him on the slide of the Two Kings of Philippine Legacy that he role as Mr. Fernando Po Jr. and I as your Henry, di ba? The Two Kings of Philippine Legacy on. And today, Lucio Tan naman siya, di ba? So, thank you once again. And he's personally my daddy. Thank you. Thank you, daddy. So, for the next episode that we will have is the SM Store. The next episode, SM Store of your very own Ninong to be rolled as Mr. Henry. So first of all, through the years, we are going to SM Mall or SM Store, di ba? Yung pinaka-department store niya. Dati kasi siyang SM Department Store and then it was changed to the SM Store. Hanggang ngayon, SM Store na lang. Ano naman kaya next? store na lang. De, joke lang. Okay. So, otherwise, this is the meaning of SM Store, part of our educators and for our blog show and entertainment. So, SM Store is the largest department store chain with several branches nationwide. We offer a great selection of menswear, womenswear, children's wear, all kinds of beauty products and things for the home. So this is a multitasking products that you can discover for home, for kitchen, for toys, for kids, for mommy and daddy. Di ba minsan may mga grocery na rin sila doon. Like food selection, drink selection, and so forth, so forth. So SM Store is here for you. So you will check it out. Your Ninong goes to SM Store to witness the business of Mr. Hennessy, how people do the service and to discover the products as well. Enjoy.
Ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình mình tình tan 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 tình. Yeah yeah. Ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tan tan tình, tan tình mình tình tan 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 tình. Yeah yeah. Anh tính sao giờ để anh tính sao? Ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà thương, đêm ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em.
Okay, you've just witnessed the SM Store and the very own Philippine Airlines. Now it's time for the collaboration of the two legendary business person, the king of Philippine business and the king of Philippine planes. Diba, mga eroplano. So, Dragon at Agila ay nagsanib persa nga talaga to give you the action of learning in the business together with the king of Philippine business, Henry C. So, you will discover here the C and TAN relationship on how they serve the business, how SM and Philippine Airlines reunited as one to serve the people while people said they got it all, di ba? While they will fly, o saan nila binili yung gamit nila papuntang Singapore, America, bibili ng bagay, bibili ng jacket dahil malamig sa airplane ni Lucio Tan. Diba kay Henry C. SM Store. Okay, we will check it out.
It's a special place in the heart of every Filipino. Allow me to read this message from my grandfather, Dr. Lucio C. Tan, the Chairman and CEO of Philippine Airlines. Dear customers and partners, way back in 1993, I purchased a controlling stake in Philippine Airlines when the government privatized the flag carrier. It became my commitment of a lifetime to build up the airline into a flag carrier that all Filipinos could look up to with pride. On the 80th anniversary of Philippine Airlines, my family and I make this renewed commitment to you. We will complete the recovery of Philippine Airlines. We firmly support the management and employees of PAL as they undergo the restructuring process. Together, we will deliver an airline with a reorganized balance sheet, a streamlined workforce, and a renewed sense of mission.
Begins inspecting his shopping malls, and every week he still picks which shoes are sold in his chain of Shoe Mart stores.
But this has been going and come and go.
Fashion comes and goes.
Yeah, so many years it will come back.
It'll come back. 50 years ago, young Henry C.
I can travel using my miles kesa maglabas naman po for my own pocket. Kung maglalabas man, maliit na po. Hindi na kasing laki kasi nga may miles tayong pwedeng gamitin. Ayan. Now, ang tanong, paano pa maging SM Advantage member kung hindi pa po kayo member? Kung hindi pa po kayo member, Unang-una po, katulad ng ginawa ko, punta lang po kaya to any SM store. So, pwede po sa cashier, counter, pwede naman po doon sa customer service. Like ako po, doon ako nagpunta na sa customer service, yung nakita niyo po sa video, kasi mabilis lang naman po, except kung maraming pila, mas mahaba po kasi sometimes ang pila sa cashier. So, I prefer to go to the customer service area. Pwede rin po sa SM Supermarket, SM Hypermarket, or sa Save More. Maaari din po kayo mag-asa Watermark Departments.
You can convert your SMAC points to Mabuhay Miles and your Mabuhay Miles to SMAC points. Please pay attention to the cabin crew as they show you how. For Mabuhay Miles to SMAC, call, convert, shop.
For SMAC to Mabuhay Miles,
click, convert, fly. Shop to fly.
And fly to shop with SMAC and Mabuhay Miles.
In the Philippines, back to their ancestors' hometown to see it for themselves. That's always been my biggest wish.
Every year, he will sponsor over
Okay, you've just discovered the SM and the Philippine Airline relationship. Okay, now it's time for CSR. We will discover for the first time the CSR of Mr. Lucio Tan on how he served the people and how he helped the people, as he also feel blessed, one of the billionaire here in the Philippines, on how he do his special action in helping people, di ba? Of course, kasama na dyan si Tito Henry nyo, ano nga ba yung pwede pang tulungan, or what the CSR of Henry C that he do together with his SM and Philippine Airlines. So you will check it out for the people and for our travelers. Okay, thank you for watching. And once again, this is ang Dragon at ang Agila Learning, and this is SM Store partner with Mr. Lucio Tan in Learning. Philippine Airlines, the business store partner in shopping, together with your very own Denver Ninong Castro as Mr. Henry, and our special guest, Mr. Dennis Castro as Lucio Tan. So thank you, and God bless to all of you. And for our watcher, this can be an educational, entertainment, and it can be a guide for our tourists because we are having the discussion about planes. So travel to, lilipad tayo. Magsha-shopping ka na, lilipad ka pa. And that is the service of Mr. Henry C. together with Mr. Lucio Tan, the tandem of two great business inventor here in the Philippines. Thank you for watching. You may subscribe this video blog and watch this on YouTube and Facebook. And Ninong TV is also available in Instagram for some updates, information. And you may buy this video blog for only 150 pesos. When you buy this one, you can post this on your own social media. 80 pesos for screen record, for education, entertainment. So you need to summarize the life or the business strategy of Henry C. and Lucio Tan. So perfect to para sa inyo. So you just PM me on my social media accounts, Denver Ninong Castro on Instagram, Facebook, and you will see my face. Oh, yes. Talagang mukha ng iba. Okay, and then chat me. I will reply you anytime. Hindi ako nagsisil kagaya ng iba dyan. Okay? I will reply you, I will entertain, and I will serve you. Just like Henry C. did for the nation. Serving people, helping people, di ba? Thank you po. Mabuhay kayong lahat, and see you for my another video vlog.